Thanks for watching. This is Doug at Doug's Open Road Classics. So I'm at Little Easton Manor today. Really, really good car show. Earlier this morning, I was drawn to this absolutely superb Triumph TR7 owned by George. And the car's got really interesting history that George was telling me earlier. So I thought it'd be great to share it with you. So I don't embarrass you, George, but if you could just tell me what you told me, to tell everyone what you told me earlier about the car, because it's really interesting.
Sure. So the car was built in 1981, October the 10th, I believe, last day of production for the Triumph TR7 in Coventry. This car was given as a redundancy package to one of the directors of BL. He kept it for a year, then it was registered in August 82, and I acquired the car just over a year ago and have just basically brought it back up to roadworthiness.
Amazing.
And
It looks well for it.
I'm very, very happy with the result, and as you can see, she's a real beauty.